What's up, guys? We're back here with another video, and I just got my new gaming chair and took forever to build, and I've really wanted to make another video. So here you go, right now, another video. So we're playing Magnet Simulator. So let's, excuse me, oh, my brother's joining. I was like, who is this? Okay, so yeah, so let's just get on with the game. Welcome to Magnet Simulator. Prepare to become the fastest growing and richest Robloxer. Purchase stronger and better magnets from this shop. Okay, my brother hasn't played this game either. Okay, sorry about that. Coins that you collect can be exchanged for cash here, just like every other game. Cooler and better backpacks can be bought here, letting you hold more coins at once. Raise your own little chicken. What do chickens have to do with this? Okay, raise your own little chicken farm to gain some extra cash on the side here. Okay. Purchase eggs which hatch and turn into pets for in a game. Boots here. So pets, they seem to be in every game, like since Pet Simulator. Sorry, my door's opening. Since Pet Simulator came out, pets are in like every game. Don't understand, but okay. Not hating it. Buy access to Boon, which holds better rewards. Latest run around here with your magnet out to collect the coins. Okay, let's get into this then. This magnet is very rusty. Okay, so this game seems kind of cool. Do you get like one coin per walk? So if you walk into this, would you not get them both together at the same time? Do I have to like be really close to get them? Maybe you could just like walk. Oh yeah, don't you get like stronger magnets or something? Do these give you more? 2 coins. So, oh, sell. So that gave me 30 cash, not bad. Okay, so this is my farm here. You get coins from here, I guess. How do I do this? Do I just like walk up to it? Oh, collect. Collect. So can you get more chickens in here? Oh, buy chicken. Yes, you can. Okay, this is kind of useful. So let's get this weapon back out. Oh, they've got a mean egg. Oh, whoa. I just realized. So, let's catch them all. Yeah, it's. I'm like so hungry, I don't know why. 1 rebirth required. Sell. Like some games you have to walk to the place you go and sell, like your coins, but here you don't. So that's kind of cool. Yeah. Okay, that's cool. Okay, sorry about that. It's just like calling for, what's it called? Tea. But I'll just have mine in a minute. Or whenever I've done this video. I'm hungry, but I really need to do this video. And I don't want to miss any of it. Oh, whatever. Okay, so we've got a few coins. We've got 99 coins. I could get another chicken. We'll see how much like a backpack or something is like a stronger magnet. Because I want to try and get quite high up on this leaderboard here. But I don't think that would ever happen. Like, look at them numbers just going up. So that's probably never gonna happen in like 10 minutes. So yeah. Let's go to the shop. Is this the shop? Oh yes. Backpack. 45. How much is this? 45. Is it money? Oh, okay. We're calling 300. Is that like? No. Just buy that. Okay. Is it equipped? Is it? Do you have an inventory? Do we equip it by inventory? Have no clue. Inventory. Yes, you have an inventory. Pet. That's a pet inventory. Okay, I'm very confused. Maybe it's like just automatically equips? Yes, it does, okay. So is it like one shop for like magnets? So, yeah, this is just backpacks, okay, and rebirths. Rebirth magnets, so you get magnets if you rebirth. Okay. They have a lot of rebirths. Wow. I bet you like you get rebirths and then you become like stronger though. Like you start off really low but then you become stronger quicker. You know what I'm saying? Okay, next I'm going to obviously save up for a stronger magnet. So that's 300. But I guess it's better? I guess. So yeah. Okay guys, so you're not watching all of this boring, but I'm going to pause the video and be back when I have 300 coins. Okay guys, so one more coin until I have to sell. Okay, so let's go and sell. Now I have 300. So hopefully you're fine with me pausing it, so you didn't have to watch me that boring stuff, me just walking around getting coins. So now let's. Okay, you can get magnets from a strong gift. Different shop. So did I not need 300? Wait. Where is the price on these? Oh. I was like looking down there like. Oh, says 15. That's like range. That is not it. And I'm like, oh, at the top. So I do not have 1,000,000 yet. I have 300, 200. Okay, that's one. Let's just get the 200 by Chloe shop. Let's see what the difference is in this, I guess. Okay. What, like, so it's stronger? Can you just like reach from there to wire? I don't know. So what does this do? Does it give you more coins? Or okay. I'll see when I've got 45 coins. So I'm gonna pause it again if that's fine with you guys. Sorry about this. If you don't like all these pauses in the videos, please tell me. But yeah. Don't ask. Just don't. So guys, let's go on, sell this and see if we get any difference in the price. So last time with the other magnet and bigger backpack, I got $90. So let's see how much we get this time. 90. So we still get 90. Is it? I do not know what the So, next I'm gonna get one of these pets. 800, I can only get to 300. 300 is my highest. Okay, well guys, I maybe a while on this, so I'm gonna pause it again. I'm so sorry about this, guys. You may hate me, I don't know, but I'm sorry. I'm just gonna pause it. I'm sorry, guys. I know what it feels. No, I really don't. Tell me if you don't like it when I keep pausing in between. Please tell me. But yeah. So guys, I've just seen if there's any place you could put codes in. So I just look in, there wasn't. And I see this energy drink, I click it. Should I buy it or not? I'm buying it. I'll probably get more Robux anyway soon. I just bought it. Really? 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 Why? I have 77 Robux left. I'd ask for more. What does it do? Where is the energy drink? Ah! The energy drink. Energy drink. Energy drink. I think did it not buy? The balance. What? Did the energy drink already do something? Ah! Oh! This is what the energy drink does. Why didn't I just move? I thought it was you had to drink it. Okay guys, this is so much faster. Does it last for a certain amount of time now? Will you just slow down after a while? Yeah, probably. I'll be back when I get 800 coins though. Okay guys, I'm gonna have 800 coins now. Yay! I've got 800. And now let's get the pet. Bye. Bye! Oh my god. Bye. No. No! I cannot buy it. Okay guys, well I guess this is gonna be it for this video once I buy a few chickens. Good chicky eyes chickens. Okay. So let's upgrade. Dead price of 400. What? Well, that's 17. So bye guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications because it's the fearless subscribe button. So hit it, punch it, do whatever to that subscribe button because it has no feelings. Bye.